Hey guys, it's Lisa here and welcome back to another What's for Dinner video. So we're going to start off the week with something really easy to make. We are going to be making a ravioli and meatball casserole. This is the ravioli I'm going to be using. This is leftovers from a meal that I made about a couple weeks ago. And then for Christmas we were gifted a big box of Omaha steaks. Well, that's the brand, and it came with a variety of meats, and it actually came with meatballs, so this meal is going to be perfect to use. Okay, so first thing you want to grab is a big 9x13 casserole dish like this. In here you're going to add your frozen meatballs. This is what I have. And then you're going to add frozen raviolis. Then you're going to grab your favorite spaghetti sauce. This is the one I'm going to be using. And then you're just going to add the whole jar right on top. And now we're going to cover it with foil. So now we're going to stick this into a 400-degree preheated oven for about 50 minutes. So now we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to refoil it. Right, and I'm going to stick this back into the oven for 10 more minutes. This is how it looks after I took it out after the 10 minutes. Alright guys, so here it is with the meatballs. And now we're going to add some Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to add some fresh parsley. This is what we're going to have for dinner tonight. This is all we're going to have. Alright guys, so I decided to come in and share my lunch with you. Here what I have boiling is kielbasa. And the only reason why I had to boil it is because it comes from this company here. I could have thawed it, but I can cook it stovetop from frozen state. So it's already been, according to the directions, it's been cooking for 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and take them out and check it. Alright guys, so back here I have 2 cups of water boiling, getting to a boil. That's where I'm going to make my ramens, and of course just by package directions. Up here I'm going to turn my skillet on. Right, so let's just add a little bit of olive oil to this. We prefer to cook it on a non-stick pan. And then to this we're going to add 1 kielbasa cut up and diced. And then to the water, of course, we're going to add our ramen. And to our kielbasa, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced shallots and 1 minced garlic clove. So then once your noodles have cooked, you're going to go ahead and add them to your pan. And it's okay if some liquid fell in there. And then to this we're going to add some sprinkles of crushed red bell pepper. And then we're going to add some basil. You can use fresh basil, but this is all I have. And then out of the chicken packet, we're only going to use half of the packet. That's about half. So here's our bowl. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and add it in here. Right, and then we're gonna grab some Parmesan cheese. And then we're just gonna sprinkle it over. And there you go. This is gonna be my husband's lunch for today. Hope you guys give it a try. Alright guys, so for dinner tonight, we're going to make it super easy. We're going to have breakfast for dinner. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to start making our waffles. Right. So the one I buy is like H-E-B original, and I keep the little card. The one that says just add water, and I put it in a container like this. And then a 1/3 cup of oil. Go ahead and mix that up. All right, we'll put that to the side while I wait for my waffle maker to heat up. So these are the sausages I'm going to be making. So I'm going to go by the directions. It says add 3 tablespoons of water and add the sausage to an unheated pan. Just like that. So I have 1 waffle down. Now we're going to flip them. So while these continue to cook, I'm going to fry up some turkey bacon on the side. So my sausage is ready. I'm going to go ahead and remove them. Right, so now we're going to make. So we're going to go, I have some eggs here. I'm going to go ahead and just whisk them up. And then to the eggs, we're going to add some salt and some pepper, just like this. We're going to get some butter. Put a lot of butter, just like that. There. So I don't cook my eggs all the way. I leave them kind of like this because it continues to cook and we don't like our eggs dry. All right, so here's my plate. I'm going to put a scoop. 3 pieces of sausage, and then a pancake, a waffle. Then we're gonna put some butter on here. All right, so here's our plate, and this is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight.